In this video, we're going to look at how to upgrade your subscription. Let's get right into it. As always, we're starting from dashboard. This is your main landing page. Again, if you have any ideas, comments about the landing page, what you want to see here as a flow of company owner, let me know in the comments below. We're open to any ideas and any suggestions and any feedback. Anyway, so next step, how to upgrade your subscription. We go again for workspace settings, company settings, and then we're gonna go for billing. And as you can see, we're running currently a solo subscription, which is a one-man team. If you're doing estimates yourself, if you're doing everything yourself, quoting jobs, from getting a lead to your emails to everything, all the way up to finishing the jobs yourself, that's the plan for you. You don't need to share the information, what you're creating here, with anyone else, only with clients. Clients always, they don't count as a team member. They always get access for free to see if you need to share any information with them, like photos or measurements and all that. Again, if you one-man team. Here, we're going to be doing a lot of other videos, so we need more team members. So we're going to change now to, let's say, a team. Manage subscription. So next step is we're going to go and manage subscription. It's going to redirect us to actual Stripe, because we are partnered with Stripe for the all the bank bank cards and all that. We don't keep it, we don't see it, we don't have nothing to do with it. It's all kept under Stripe. You're changing your subscription in Stripe, so then we see it and we change your subscription in our database as well. So here you are. My trial ends in like 14 days, but because of these videos, I need to show you more and more, and I need already, solo is too low for me, so I need to bring up my team members. Here you are, your information here, then update subscription. So now what we'll see, your current subscription is solo, so that's like one-man team. So now we're gonna go into the team. Let's select the team that's up to 3 team members. So it's you as a company owner, then you might have an estimator, and then you obviously have an installer who does the job. So that you need 3 team members. That's basically your subscription then. So then you can share all this information between your installer and estimator. Continue. Okay, continue, confirm. All right. Yeah, so that's all done. Subscription changed, and then we go back to M2tric, and now we have a team plan. So see, it's gone green. Team usage, team members. From we have 1, and we have 2 more that we can use. That's basically it. Thanks for watching. Again, leave your comment below if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer them, and I'll see you at the next one.